Guys, YouTube has done it again. YouTube just introduced a new feature that you can use to get your 1000 subscribers in just 24 hours. You accumulate your 1000 subscribers. Yes, now in this video, I'm going to show you what these features are, how you are going to use it to get over 1000 subscriber on your channel. Now, if you are struggling to get 1000 subscriber, worry no more, because YouTube has introduced a feature that you can use to get your 1000 subscriber in just 24 hours. Yes, or less than 24 hours, you have gathered your 1000 subscriber without you stressing yourself, without you uploading any video, without you doing anything, even though you are lazy. If you try this method, guys, you are going to see over 1000 subscriber. And I just tried it on one of my old channel, so I'm yet to see my result. I may actually paste it, the result here or here. So if you are trying to get 1000 subscriber, worry no more, because this strategy will actually work and get you to that monetization threshold. Okay, if you try this method, you are going to see multiple of subscribers on your channel. Yes, you can actually use your smartphone to try this method. You don't have to use your laptop. You just you can use your smartphone to try this method, and you will get that 1000 subscribers. If this video helped you at the end, don't forget to hit that like button so that it can reach to other creators and for YouTube upgrading to push this video. And always hit that subscribe button because it is free of charge. Okay, and turn on your bell notification so that you get notified each time I upload a video like this. So let's dive straight into my phone so that I will show you this new YouTube feature you should try and get your 1000 subscriber. Trust me, it is trusted and guaranteed. So let's dive in. Once you come over to your YouTube app, you click on this plus sign, you go to shorts, you do as if to upload shorts. Now look at this right hand side. Can you see this this star icon now? This is the new feature that YouTube has introduced into the YouTube platform, and a lot of creators, small creators, are not talking about it. Yeah, so all you have to do is just to click on this feature. Now once you click on this feature, it's going to bring you this interface. Yes, now can you see a lot of videos, a lot of animal videos, a lot of videos. Now what we are going to be doing is, in this particular session, is two things we are going to do in this session now. So the first thing we are going to do, or the first thing you have to click for you to get this 1000 subscribers and get a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, the first method we are going to be trying is this photo to video. Now this photo to video is a whereby we are converting our photo to video so that it will start talking and start moving in engaging way, in a way that it can be entertaining and can grab that people's attention to watch and get a lot of views and subscribers. Okay, now all we have to do is to click on this photo to video. It will now bring you to your phone gallery, where you have to pick a picture. Yes, any of your picture, then you can now translate it to video, and your picture will start moving. Like it will start talking, it will start moving in a different direction. Okay, now I have one of my video here. Now I will choose one of this my video. Okay, now once you have picked one of your video, now yes, depending on the picture you pick, the YouTube will now synchronize. It will now scan the picture to now know what to make for you. Now once you look at this, you can see varieties of captions. Yes, captions that YouTube have given to you. Yes, so you have different captions, but if you still want to add your own captions, you can actually add it here. You see this box now. Once you have added your own caption, maybe what you don't like what YouTube actually gave you, you can come over here and write your caption, then now click on send. Okay, but for now, this is what YouTube has given to me. But for the sake of this video, I don't want it to be too long. I'll just pick on a random caption here. I'll just pick this one. Yes, once you have picked the one from what YouTube are giving to you, you just click on send. Now once you click on send, it will now start processing. It will process from 0 to 100. Okay, so now let's wait for it to process. While we are waiting for it to process, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop in your comment, and also turn on your bell notification. Okay, so it's already at 89%. It is on the here. Okay, yeah.
Why did the paper airplane go to school?
Now,
because it wanted to learn how to fly a little bit higher and become a paper plane.
but you can still use this one, but I would prefer the second one, which I'm about to tell you right now. Okay, now the second one we are going to do is almost the same thing that we just did on this first one. Okay, now all you have to do, come over to your YouTube app, click on this plus sign again, then click on this feature again, then the second one, which is going to get you more than 1000 subscribers, like thousands of subscribers, is this second one that I'm about to show you right now. If you are watched to the point of this video, just let me know in the comment section. Just comment 1000 subscribers ready. Okay, so now this second one that I'm about to show you is, we will now create a video. Yes, now instead of us picking a random video from here, why picking a video or why creating a video with this second method? Now you have to make sure that the video you are creating is related to your niche. Yes, you must find a video that is related to your niche. If you are in cooking niche, you find a video that is related to cooking or anything food. Then if you are in entertainment, just make sure that the video is related to your niche. Okay, because if it's not related to your niche and you create it and get thousands of subscribers, those audience will not watch your long form videos. Now all you have to do is, you see this icon, create video. Remember, we have created photo to video. Now we are about to create the second one that will give us these thousands of subscribers immediately. In just 24 hours you accumulate your thousands of subscribers and worry no more. So once you click on this create video, now you click on it, it will now bring you to this interface. Now this interface have varieties of captions and what it looks like. Now take for example, now if you are in cooking niche, you find a caption or the one that is related to cooking niche. Now okay, now see this one, make a chef in a zero gravity kitchen. So this one is specifically for people that is in cooking niche. Then if you are into education, YouTube growth, you make sure that you find the one that is related to your niche. Yes, it must be related to your niche. Okay, let's just pick any random niche video here. Let's go with cooking niche, maybe how to make jollof rice or how to do this. I think this one is into cooking niche, make a chef into a gravity kitchen. Okay, now but if you still want to write your idea, maybe you don't like what YouTube will give to you, you can describe your idea, then YouTube can create it for you. But for the sake of this tutorial, we don't want it to be too long, then I'll just click on this make a chef. So once you click on it, then you now click on send. Then once you click on send, it will now start processing. It will start generating the video. Yes, from the option you pick or from what you described. Okay, our food is almost ready. Okay, our food is almost ready. Okay, now here we have
In zero
our
gravity,
video.
surface tension is your best
So now here we have our video. Now when you look at
friend.
this, you see that this video is related to cooking. It's related to people that are into cooking or medical. I think something, yes, it's
In
related
zero
to
gravity,
cooking,
surface
because you
tension
can
is
see
your best friend.
different things for cooking. You can see different ingredients, different for you to upload this video. Yes, you don't need to do too much. All you have to do is just, if you want to upload this kind of video as a short, because once you upload this kind of video, it must surely get you subscribers. Yes, it must surely get you a lot of subscribers. I have seen one of my friend that recently did it, that recently used it 2 days ago. He got more than 1500 subscribers. Guys, this is working and it's 100% legit. So if you want to upload this kind of a short on your own channel and get that subscriber, just click on this next. Yes, remember, you don't have to do too much. So all you have to do is, you don't need to put too much hashtag, just one hashtag. Okay, now and you give it a title. Okay, and make sure that your title is catchy. Let's say a man gravity in the kitchen. Just make sure that the title is curiosity driven and it also relates to what the video is all about. So just forget about this title. I just added it for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, so and if you want to put hashtag, just one hashtag is okay. Yes, and the video will go viral. And that hashtag is no other one than short. You just add your short, okay? And that's all. But once you add your short, you make sure that your visibility is on public. This one you can actually publish it immediately. Yes, because it is getting engagement. It is an entertaining video, and is very catchy. Anybody that watches will must subscribe to your channel for more of this kind of video. And you make sure that you add a very well description. You can go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give you a description, but you need to detail what the video is all about. Tell ChatGPT everything about the video, then ChatGPT will generate it for you. Then you paste it on your description. Okay, now once you paste it on your description, you can actually relate it to your one of your video. This place they say related video. You relate it to one of your long video, and it will give traction to that long video. And also come here and make sure that it is you indicate it as AI. Yes, you make sure you indicate it as AI because it's AI generated. Okay, it is not you didn't generate it yourself, it is AI. You click on AI. Yes, okay. So once you click on it, you add tag. You don't need to add any tag, but you can, it's optional here. You can add tags or you may not add tags. Okay, now once you are done with that one, you make sure that the video is not made for kids. Then you can now click on upload short. Guys, if you try this is the fastest way and easiest way YouTube has introduced this feature for us to get over 1000 subscribers. So guys, go and try it and come back in this same video and thank me for giving you this update. Okay, so if this video helped you and you were able to accumulate that your 1000 subscribers you have been struggling for over years, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your bell notification so that you get notified each time I upload videos like this. Thank you, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Congratulations to your 1000 subscriber. Bye.